I'm Wolver. My Telegram is linked in the description. I sell the exact audited, battle-tested contracts that print these 5-figure days. You keep every cent. Or, if you have the spine for it, stay with me, and I'll show you how to forge the iron yourself. Stop scrolling. You're currently the exit strategy for developers you'll never meet. While you chase green candles and get liquidated, I'm talking about the math. I'll show you how to launch a token that pulls $10,000 a day with zero coding skills. Stop finding the pump. Be the pump. The Digital Forge. Open your browser to remix.ethereum.org. This is the forge of giants. This is where the smart contracts that move billions were first written. Complexity is a filter that keeps the weak out of the money. If the screen looks like a cockpit to you, good. That's the barrier to entry. Click Create New File and name it Vanguard.sol. The moment you hit Enter, you aren't a spectator anymore. You are now operating on the skeletal structure of the global financial system. Step 1. The compiler filter. Select the Solidity compiler icon. This is where beginners lose their shirts. One version mismatch here results in a failed transaction that burns your Ethereum into ash for nothing. Set your compiler strictly to 0.8.20. Ensure the optimization box is checked to save on gas fees. Hit Compile. When that green checkmark flashes, your idea has officially become immutable bytecode. If you want to skip the technical risk of burning gas, hit my Telegram. I handle the code. You handle the profit. Step 2. The DNA of the contract. Navigate to the Deploy tab. Set the environment to Injected Provider and connect your MetaMask. You are now armed and dangerous. Now, define the DNA of your wealth. The name, a title that commands respect and triggers FOMO. The symbol, 3 aggressive letters that look sharp on a DEX scanner chart. The supply, you are the central bank. You control the scarcity. The decimals, always 18. This is non-negotiable for exchange compatibility. The brutal truth, the dark forest. The blockchain has no delete key. There is no customer support. One exploit or one forgotten liquidity lock, and your funds walk away forever. This is why I provide bulletproof, live-tested contracts. Solo builders die here every day because they miss a single line of security code. Don't gamble with your seed capital. Execute with precision. Click Deploy and confirm the gas. In 20 seconds, your token is live. Permanent, public, unruggable. You are now the alpha. Step 3. Liquidity and price discovery. A live contract without a pool is just a screenshot. You need liquidity to create a market. You must pair your token with ETH or BNB. This creates the floor. Set the price too high and no one buys. Set it too low and you get drained by arbitrage bots in the first 3 seconds. The math must be perfect to survive the opening minute. If you need a liquidity strategy that actually holds a floor price and builds a moon mission chart, my Telegram is where the pros talk. The shield protocols. The moment you add liquidity, the snipers are coming. Specialized bots watch the mempool with predatory hunger. They see your transaction before it even clears the block. They buy before your community can, and they sell faster than any human can blink. This kills 99% of projects in the first 10 blocks. You need anti-bot mechanics. You need launch protection. Without it, you're just feeding the machines. Hit me on Telegram if you want the shield protocols to protect your launch. The psychology of the chart. In this market, narrative moves the price. Facts don't move markets. Feelings do. Your vibe determines if your holders are diamond hands or paper-handed cowards. You aren't selling a token. You're selling a vision. If you play it right, your holders become your marketing army. If you fail, they dump at the first sign of green. Master the psychology, and the chart will follow. The final command. 7 minutes ago, you were just another person scrolling, waiting for a miracle. Now, you own the contract address. You are the developer. You control the supply. The tools are free, the knowledge is yours, but execution is optional. You can take what I've shown you, and try to survive the dark forest alone. Or you can join the winners in my DMs. My Telegram is full of people doing $5,000 and $10,000 days. No promises, just real numbers and audited code. The gate is open. The engine is hot. Build it yourself, or let me build it for you. Telegram link in the description. One word. Deploy. I build, you bank. Go. Wolver out.